Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss, you see here is our center line, but its center line is disturbing to vertex. So you correct it, vertex, you see here, vertex is not correct and center line is zigzag. So we correct it for using simplify tool. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. It is very important if you want to correct your center line and minimize vertex. So it is very important. So please listen carefully this video and share to all friends. So here is our center line, zigzag center line. We go to our catalog and we go to cartography tool and we go here generalization and we select here simplify line. We double click, we select here input feature center line and output feature as per your requirement. Correct center line, save, and we simplify tolerance. We check here maximum length. Maximum length is our, you see here, maximum length is 366 meter. So we take here length 400 meter and OK. You see here our output. Here is our output. Output is correct. You see here input and output. It is very important if you want to correct vertex and your center line. So use this simplify tool. Our simplify process is complete. So please like, share and subscribe. If any query, please write a comment. Thank you for watching video.